The Prophet ﷺ says, O Sahaba, after you will come the days of patience, the days of difficulty, the days where it is hard to be a Muslim and righteous. But whoever in those days of difficulties and in those days of vice and in those days of the internet, if in those days whoever holds on to what you have held on to, if they hold on to the deen as you are holding, O Sahaba, lahum ajru 50, they will get the reward of 50. So they said, Ya Rasulullah, 50 minna am minhum, the reward of 50 of us or 50 of them. So the Rasul said, Bal minkum, no, 50 of you, my Sahaba. And whoever leaves a haram for the sake of Allah and returns it for a halal, Allah Rabbul Izzah replaces it with unimaginable things.